Hi guys, and welcome back to another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play Grey Secrets from the Grade 1 Clarinet book. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. So if you're looking to improve your clarinet playing, then make the start right now and click on the subscribe button for Nottingham Music Excellence, and I'll give you lots of extra help with your music tuition online. And of course, stay tuned for the whole video because I want you to grab your clarinet and play along with me too. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music. Let's get into a bit of that detail and talk about what we need to bring out in this music. So I think it's worth mentioning straight away that small children might find this quite difficult. I think when you've got small hands, some of these keys down here, they do struggle to sort of get in the right place to get those keys down. And it starts on the bottom note of the instrument. And the last thing you want to do is start the piece by you're struggling to get the note out, or you just get a big squeak or something. So if you're really tiny and you're playing this, perhaps just have a listen to the other pieces as well. Check out my other videos for the C list pieces and just really make sure that you've chosen the right piece for your age group, for your ability. Okay? So that said, if you're going to play this piece anyway, I think this is a nice piece for really getting down to those chalumeau notes, as they're called on the clarinet, and making a really deep and dark sound. So really fill out the instrument fully down here and try and make a rich and warm sound. So don't, whatever you do, back off from those low notes and produce a sort of a fuzzy sound. Really go for lots of sound down there. And really notice there's some quite big dynamic changes too in this piece. So when you get to bar 3, so quite soft there, but then on the next bar, we're back to that idea again that we started with, and then even louder for the bar after that. So there's a forte mark there, but then forte dim. So we want to diminuendo as soon as we get going on those quavers. So it's quite a nice effect actually, that is. So just listen to that again. So you could do the diminuendo all the way to the bottom of the instrument there. Sounds quite nice. And then there's a rest. Feels like quite a slow piece when you've got rests in there as well, but just take your time and count the crotchets really carefully. And watch that pesky last note. Try not to squeak on that last one. I'm sure they put that piece in there on purpose. They know there's going to be a good percentage of pupils that hit that last note and squeak. So just to reiterate again, if you are playing this, and you're a young player, just double check, be absolutely sure that you've picked the right piece and that you can manage these low keys okay. So of course, do let me know in that comment section below how you're getting on with this piece if you are doing it. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, do check out my other videos for Grade 1 Clarinet, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye!